Looking for packing hacks that will save you time? Do you dread packing for your next trip? The last thing you want to do is spend hours stressing out over what to bring and how to fit it into your luggage. But what if I told you that there are 10 surprising travel hacks that can cut your packing time in half? From packing multi-purpose clothing to using compression bags, these hacks will streamline your packing process and leave you with more time to enjoy your travels. In today's video, let's take a look at each hack and how to implement them for stress-free travel. Let's dive in and discover how you can pack smarter and travel happier. First up is make a list and check it twice. To make sure you pack everything you need and not a single thing more, it's important to start by making a list. Write down all the essentials you'll need during your trip. Are you traveling internationally? Then you'll need your passport and a converter. No matter where I travel, I always bring along my phone charger. Do you take medications? Write it down on your list. From there, you can add in any extras that you might need depending on your destination and the activities you'll be doing. Activities are the starting point of my travel wardrobe. Once you have your list, it's time to check it twice. Going over your list a second time will help you eliminate any unnecessary items and make sure you don't forget anything important. It's also a great way to ensure you have enough of each item, such as socks and underwear. And here's a packing tip. Use the same list for both packing and unpacking to make sure you don't leave anything behind. If you've ever come home from a trip and discovered you left your hairdryer behind, you know how annoying that is. And I recently just did that. And it can be avoided if you have a checklist. Making a list and checking it twice might seem like a simple step, but it can save you a lot of stress and time in the long run. It also ensures that you're not bringing too much or too little, so you can travel with ease and have everything you need. Next is start with the right luggage. When it comes to packing, starting with the right luggage can make all the difference. Not only can the right luggage help you keep organized, but it can also save you time and energy during your travels. Consider the length of your trip, as well as your mode of transportation and destination when selecting your luggage. If you're traveling by plane, make sure to check the airline's size and weight restrictions for carry-on and all checked bags. Opt for a suitcase or backpack with multiple compartments to keep your belongings separate and easy to access. Rolling suitcases or backpacks with wheels can also make navigating airports or city streets much easier. Standard carry-on size should be no larger than 22 inches to fit in the overhead bin. By starting with the right luggage, you'll be setting yourself up for a smoother and more efficient packing process. My luggage set is Djalali, which has been voted best checked luggage, which makes sense for me as I always check my bags. My daughter-in-law Kelly is a big fan of Monos, which has been voted best carry-on luggage due to its surprisingly spacious interior. And my kiddos all love Tumi. Now that you've selected your luggage, it's time to start packing our suitcases. And we can't neglect our skincare routine, even when on vacation. And it's so easy to pack your favorites inside a toiletry bag. Today, I'm thrilled to partner with Genucel, a skincare company founded by a pharmacist. Y'all know that I talk non-stop about cultivating a skincare routine, and that it's never too late to start one, even if you've neglected your skin for years. A couple of things I want to mention about Genucel skincare that's perfectly blended with antioxidants like vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, and natural extracts. And they never test on animals at any stage of production. These are two steps that I get the most questions about. So I wanted to let you know those particulars. So why Genucel? Why should you try a different skincare product from what you're already using? I mean, if it ain't broke, why fix it? On the other hand, maybe you've been disappointed by a skincare recommendation and think, what's the point? Genucel skincare products are all based on cutting-edge skincare technology and have been endorsed by doctors, celebrities, and millions of customers like me. It's my job to try hundreds of products, so I've become somewhat of an expert. But what I love the most about Genucel is that it's not only backed by science, but by a 100% money-back guarantee. And that's pretty impressive, putting your money where your mouth is. My favorite is the new and improved Immediate Effects 2, which is an eye cream. Since the skin surrounding our eyes is the most sensitive, it deserves special attention. And I like the cooling sensation it left behind after applying the cream that just melted into my skin. Today, Genucel is offering their Summer Essential Package that takes care of your skin while under the summer sun. So take advantage of this limited time introductory offer and transform your skin today. Every order is instantly upgraded to free priority shipping. Go to Genucel.com/style today and use code STYLE for an exclusive discount at checkout. That's Genucel.com/style. And everything is linked down below. So next packing hack is pack multi-purpose clothing. Consider the clothes you pack for your upcoming trip and ask yourself, can I wear this item more than once? If the answer is yes, then it's a multi-purpose piece that should make it into your suitcase. Opt for clothing items that can be dressed up or dressed down, depending on the occasion. These items tend to be wardrobe staples. For example, a simple black dress can be worn out to dinner or dressed down with sandals and a denim jacket for a more casual look. Likewise, a versatile scarf can be used as a fashion accessory, or if it's large enough, as a makeshift blanket on a chilly plane ride. Packing multi-purpose clothing not only saves you space in your luggage, but also allows you to create multiple outfits with fewer items. Get excited! All July, I am hosting a gift card giveaway, 2 gift cards to Nordstrom, one of my favorite retailers, and I know yours too. Each are valued at $500. It's so easy to enter to win. You just sign up for my weekly newsletter, and you're gonna wanna sign up for the weekly newsletter because I share so many valuable, wonderful tips that you don't get here over on YouTube. So sign up for the weekly newsletter, or you can get the daily post from Style to Certain Age, and we will release a secret word at the end of this video. You drop that down in the comments. Good luck. Now that you have your multi-purpose clothing sorted, it's time to focus on packing them efficiently. To save space and prevent wrinkles, consider rolling your clothes instead of folding them. Rolling your clothes not only saves space and prevents wrinkles, but also allows you to see everything in your suitcase at a glance. Plus, it's often easier to pack rolled clothes neatly into the nooks and crannies of your suitcase. By packing efficiently, you'll be able to fit more into your luggage and reduce the time it takes to pack and unpack at your destination. Utilize your shoes. A great way to utilize the remaining space in your suitcase is by filling your shoes with small items like socks or underwear. Not only will this free up space for other items in your suitcase, but it also helps your shoes keep their shape during the journey. If packing shoes takes up too much room, wear your bulkiest pair on the plane and pack the others. Remember to put them at the bottom of your suitcase so it doesn't affect the balance of your luggage. By utilizing your shoes, you'll have more space for other necessary items, and your shoes will remain in shape. Pack smarter with compression bags. To take your packing game to the next level, consider using compression bags. These bags are a lifesaver when it comes to maximizing your luggage space and help you pack more items while still keeping everything organized and neat. They work by letting you remove the air out of your clothes, which makes them take up less space. This way, you can pack more items without worrying about exceeding the luggage limit. Compression bags also keep your clothes organized and wrinkle-free, making unpacking a breeze. You can either buy specific compression bags that comes with a handheld pump, and then you can also use these bags to store comforters or quilts, any bulky items that take up precious space that you want to compress then store. Or you can purchase specific packing cubes, compression packing cubes, that incorporate an extra zipper located on the outside of the cube that zips, then flattens the cube, creating extra space in your suitcase. Or you can do a DIY compression bag with Ziploc bags. Once you've packed your belongings inside a Ziploc bag, zip the bag, then push out the remaining air. As a result, your clothes will stay organized and wrinkle-free. With these 2 packing hacks, you'll be able to pack everything you need for your trip without having to worry about bulky and disorganized luggage. Next packing hack is use dryer sheets as a freshener. To make your packing process even more efficient, there are a few additional tricks you can use to maximize your luggage space and keep your belongings fresh. One of these tricks is to use dryer sheets as a freshener. Not only do they keep your clothes smelling good, but they also prevent any unwanted odors from permeating your luggage. It's an inexpensive packing trick that works like a charm. Simply place a few sheets in between your clothes to prevent any odors from seeping into your luggage. The best part is that you can use the same sheets when packing for your return trip. Along with using compression bags to save space, these simple hacks can make a big difference in cutting your packing time in half. With these 2 hacks, you can pack smarter and save time, leaving more room for adventure on your travels. Next up is pack a portable steamer. Not only does it quickly get rid of pesky wrinkles in your clothing, but it can also sanitize and kill any bacteria that might be lurking in your clothes after a long journey. By incorporating a portable steamer into your packing routine, you can save time and money on dry cleaning and look polished and put together throughout your travels. In addition to using a few clever packing hacks to maximize your luggage space and keep your clothes fresh, by steaming your clothes rather than taking them to a dry cleaner, you can avoid costly fees and eliminate the wait time of having to drop it off and pick it up. Plus, it's a lot more environmentally friendly to use a steamer rather than relying on disposable dry cleaning bags and solutions. Of course, a portable steamer is just one item you should consider packing for your travels. And it would so help the channel grow if you like, share, comment, and of course hit the subscription box and the notification bell. Another important item to include in your suitcase is a travel size first aid kit, just in case you encounter any unexpected bumps, scrapes, or illnesses along the way. While you may not anticipate getting sick or sustaining an injury during your trip, it's always better to be safe than sorry. Including a basic first aid kit with essentials like Band-Aids, antibiotic ointment, pain relievers, and motion sickness medication can prove to be incredibly helpful in case of an emergency. If you've ever been guilty of packing a new pair of shoes in your suitcase, only to wind up with blisters after breaking them in, then you know how important Band-Aids can be. In addition, a first aid kit can also come in handy if you have a minor health issue that doesn't require a doctor's visit. Instead of trying to navigate a foreign pharmacy, I've done that once or twice, and potentially encountering language barriers, you can simply reach into your kit for a quick and easy solution. By ensuring that you have a travel-sized first aid kit, you can have peace of mind knowing that you're prepared for unexpected health issues that may occur during your trip. And once you have your first aid kit packed, then you can move on to the next item on your packing list with ease. Using packing cubes for organization. Another way to make packing a breeze is by using packing cubes to keep everything organized. And these packing cubes are different than the compression packing cubes that I just discussed a few tips before, because they don't compress and they don't flatten. But they do serve a purpose, especially if you're not concerned about suitcase space. Instead of trying to shove everything into your suitcase willy-nilly, packing cubes allow you to compartmentalize your items by category or outfit. This not only makes it easier to find what you need when you need it, but it also helps prevent wrinkles and keeps your luggage looking tidy, especially if you're incorporating rolling instead of folding. There are many different types of packing cubes on the market, from basic mesh bags to more advanced compression cubes like I just discussed, and they all help save space. Some travelers even swear by color coding their cubes for even more organization. Using packing cubes can also make unpacking a breeze once you reach your destination. Instead of digging through your suitcase for that one shirt you want to wear, you can simply grab the cube that contains your clothes for the day. It saves time and reduces stress, allowing you to focus on enjoying your trip. So once you have your first aid kit packed, consider investing in some packing cubes to make your packing process even smoother. With everything in its place, you'll be ready to hit the road in no time. Incorporating these 10 travel hacks can be the difference between a packing nightmare and smooth sailing. By following the advice of making a list, choosing the right luggage, packing multi-purpose clothing, rolling instead of folding, utilizing shoe space, and packing with compression bags, you'll find yourself with more time to enjoy your travels. Adding items like dryer sheets, a portable steamer, and a travel-size first aid kit can also make your journey more comfortable. Finally, using packing cubes for organization is a game changer. So the next time you're preparing for a trip, remember, with a little planning and these hacks, you can journey more efficiently and with less anxiety. As the famous traveler Ibn Battuta says, traveling, it leaves you speechless, then turns you into a storyteller. Happy travels. Code word this week is Natchez, Mississippi. And a big thank you to Jen Yassel for this sponsored post. And thank you, my lovely subscribers, for supporting the brands that allow me to bring you fresh ideas. Of course, leave a comment down below, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you again very, very soon. Bye-bye.